नमस्कार आप सभी लोगों को, स्वागत अभिनंदन आप सभी का। हिमालय डिग्री कॉलेज बेरीनाग से भारत सर के साथ घूमते हुए बनाया गया है और इवन भारत सर के ही फोन में ही बन रहा है।
Mr. Joshi, you are blessed to be living in a place like Berinag.
थैंक्स सर, थैंक्स।
You have so bounty of nature here, which needs to be seen, absorbed, imbibed, and shared with the world digitally. Wow! What a view of Trishul, Nanda Devi. I feel like living here now. I feel like not leaving this place forever. Maybe if Prabhu Ichha is there, I may come and live here and construct a room here. Cheers.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू। What type of obstacle you faced yesterday to reaching here, sir?
Sir, there is no obstacle. When you come to nature, one has to accept nature and flow with the nature.